record and share the screen. That's it. Okay. Because for Gmeet, now, if you want to record, it will take the premium account. Okay. But for Zoom, it is free only. Okay. Right. Guys, here I know the background of everyone. Vinod, I know, Archana, I know. Just I just want to know the background, guys. Like, what are you doing? Like, how much experience you have? Are you fresher or something? Okay, can you just walk through? Ashtosh is there. Ashtosh, can you please walk through about yourself? Ashtosh or Sagar, can you please walk through about you? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Which company? Right now you're with Cinicron. Okay. Okay. Acha, Dhanunjay friend, you are. Okay. 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 Great. 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 And Ashutosh, can you just yeah, you can go on mute. Ashutosh, can you please tell us yeah, about you in a few lines? Ashutosh, are you there? Okay. And Pawan Kumar, can you please walk through yeah, about you in a few lines? I just want to know so that I can balance everyone, the feedback of everyone. Yeah. Pawan, can you walk through about you in a few lines? Okay, guys, but I expect everyone to speak in my class. Okay. Yeah. But fine, this is fine. 24 graduate fresher. Yeah, Pawan, that is okay, but you should speak, na, Pawan. See, this is the problem, don't be shy, okay? You need to ask, okay? I know the freshers, bit, bit struggling to speak in front of the classes or, in front of the meetings or something like that. But that is very bad practice, guys, because once you come into IT, right, you should speak, openly to everyone, right? So that is the requirement. So yeah, okay, but it's fine. At least you responded back, right? I think Ashutosh only pending. Okay, Ashutosh, can you speak? Okay. Right, guys. So let us start with the topic one, right? That is basic. Okay, guys. I don't know how many of you attended my yesterday class. I told you the thing is, I'll explain the concept. When it comes to problem solving, I'll give you 3 minutes, or based on the problem, I'll give you some span of time, guys. Okay, to solve from your end. Okay, once you solve from your end, then I'll teach explain. Then I will start explaining the program. Okay, right? Right, guys. Chalo. The first concept is very basic, guys. Let us start with a great energy. The first, very first concept. Yeah. If else, guys. Yeah. So basically, it is what we call conditional statements. What is that? Conditional statements. So can someone tell me how many types of conditional statements are there, guys? Anyone? Yes. Great, Archana. So we have simple if, and we have if else, and we have nested if else, and else if ladder. Okay. So mainly we'll cover these four parts, guys. Okay. If else if ladder. Right. So guys, is my voice is clearly audible to everyone? Thank you, guys. Yeah. So first, so we'll see how these condition statements works, and we'll walk through every concept. Okay, one by one. Okay, right. Chalo. Simple if. So basically, see, first and foremost thing is, okay, these conditional statements will be executed only once. Remember that. Okay, if you take any conditional statement, there won't be any repetitions. They will be executed only once. Okay. right guys? They will be executed only once. Remember guys, okay? Maybe for experience this might be a small thing, but for fresher, no, that guy is their papa one. Okay, they will be executed only once. There won't be any repetitions, and no repetitions of state, no repetitions. Yep. Chalo. So that, you know, that means, so basically once it enters into some block of code, okay, then it won't repeat again guys. Okay, it won't repeat again. Okay, it won't repeat again guys. Okay, this is not the same case with iterational statements. Okay, iterational statements, it's not the same. They will keep on executing, but for conditional statements they won't execute this again and again. Okay, just only one time they will execute and they will be out of that loop. Okay, just let me tell you one thing. Suppose we have a is equal to some 40, right? So basically, if you take that any matrimony, right, there will be limitations. No, the age should be greater than or equal to 18, and the age should be less than or equal. I don't know how much the upper age. I think 50, right? I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, yeah. Suppose if your age is 40, so the condition is something like that. See, it is basic English only. If your age is greater than or equal to 40, okay, sorry, if your age is greater than or equal to 18, you are eligible to marry. Something like that it will come, right? SOP, you are eligible. Okay. But suppose if your age is less than 18, sorry, it should print, it should say if age is less than 18, sorry, you're not eligible. It should, it's that case, right? Or you are not eligible. Okay. Or you can take anything. Like suppose if you take, the way back our, while I was studying, it is 10th class, no, pass mark is the 35, right? 35 marks. Okay. So if you cross 35, it should display. If your marks greater than 35, it should display congrats, you passed. SOP, congrats, you passed. Else it should say it will, you, sorry, you are failed, right? It is supposed to work like that. So what I mean to say, if this condition is true, the respective statements will be executed in that block. Suppose there are multiple statements, you should use curly braces, guys. If there is only single statement, there is no need to use curly brace. Okay, guys, any doubts so far? If you're fine, then I'll give you some program on it. Yeah. Shivani, we just started with the class, and I just kick start with the first topic, that is conditional statements. Okay, I'm just explaining the simple if. Okay, right, right. So the first question is, okay, I want everyone to attempt. Okay, if the number is even, it should display. Guys, here there is no else block, guys. In simple if, see, if condition and statements, that's it, and there is no else block here. Okay, right. The first question is, if the number is even, you should print the number is even. Okay, something like that. I'm expecting. Come on, guys. I want everyone to try. If n is even, it should print the number is even. But it shouldn't display it is odd like that. Okay, I just want, if it is even, it should print. If it is not even, it shouldn't be printing anything. Okay, like empty space, something like that I'm expecting. Yes, everyone try. I'll give you 3 minutes. Now time is 9:54. By 9:57, I want everyone to try. Come on. Pawan, are you fine, Pawan? Are you following, Pawan? Because you are just a graduate, and that's why I was asking you particularly. Sorry, Pawan, I can't hear you. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Yeah, please, that's good. No, what I was asking is, suppose if my n equal to 35, it is odd number, right? So you are not allowed to print anything. But if n equal to 36, you should print 36 is even, like that. You got it? Yeah, please try that program now. Okay. I just take 2 to 3 more minutes only. Okay. Don't take much time because these are only basics. Okay. Right. Yeah, I think for basics itself will take around 10 to 15 classes, guys. See, basic programs and then arrays, strings. Okay. Till now, these are the basics only. Okay. These are not part of DSA, but these are the prerequisites for DSA. Okay. Right. Great, Pawan. You are faster than everyone, even though you're a graduate. Guys, everyone try and ping, even if it is small one or bigger one. Okay. Yeah. Guys, 1 more minute. Guys, everyone join with laptop from tomorrow. I don't know how many of you join with laptop. Yeah, we know the good, good. Come on, guys, 1 more minute. Archana, try. Guys, 1 more minute only we have. Come on, try, try. Everyone should attempt, guys. See, make sure this is a habit, guys. Till our last class of our DSC, okay? Everyone should ping. Everyone should participate in the class. That's what my intuition. Because it is not a theory class, okay? It is not a simple core Java class or Python class, right? So there are mainly problems only, okay? This is totally problem solving classes, right? So everyone should be, what we say, most excited and enthusiastic for the class, right? Yeah. Okay, chalo guys, let us start. I don't know how many of you understood this question. Yeah, there is one operator, okay, in Java or Python. This is called modulus operator. Can someone tell me what this operator will do? Exactly, guys. It will give you the reminder, right? Suppose in the school days, how we should do the reminder, guys. Suppose if there is some 37, if it is divided by 2, what will do? 2 18 is 36, and we'll get the reminder as 1. Like this, we used to solve, right, in the school days. So, suppose 37 by 2 will give you the quotient, guys. Okay. And 37 modulus 2 will give you the remainder. Okay. Please pl- please keep that in mind. Okay, for who are new to programming, I don't know how many of you are new here, but for experience it is very small thing. But yeah, so who are new to programming, just remember this. Okay, difference between div- divide operator and modulus operator, right? Yeah. So now you tell me, guys. So if you see here, uh, 1 modulus 2, the remainder is 1, guys. 2 modulus 2, the remainder is 0. 3 modulus 2, the remainder is 1. 4 modulus 2, the remainder is 0. If you see, for all the odd numbers, the remainder is 1. For all the even numbers, the remainder is 0. Okay, based on that, we'll frame the logic. Okay, is that clear, guys? Let me open the Eclipse and we'll start writing the code. Yeah. Guys, I will use it going forward. I will use Eclipse, guys. Okay, yeah, to solve the questions. And if any Python developers are there here, because I need to teach in Python as well now. Any Python developers are there here? The guys who don't know. Sorry. Oh, is it? Oh. Now, guys. Okay. Guys, any Python devs are there? No, it's fine. Okay. Okay, guys. So, Guys, can someone tell me how can I read the input at the runtime in Java? Anyone? See, I can do hard coding. Which class? Suppose instead of yeah, instead of going for a hard coding, I can go for scanner. Okay. Yeah. See, first you should declare the scanner class object. Okay. Then by using the scanner class object, you should read. Okay. Pavan, are you comfortable with the scanner? Pavan Kumar, are you comfortable with the scanner? I'm good, sir. Yeah, yeah. Then thank you. Please go on. Yeah. If you are good, means everyone will be good, hopefully. Yeah. So first you should declare the scanner class object and then read here int n equal to, come on, scan dot next int, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay. So the question is, if it is even, you should print, right? If n modulus 2 equal to 0, it should say this out even number. Okay. Is an even number. Clear? See, there is no else block, and these braces are optional when we have only single statement. But if there are multiple statements, you should go for braces, guys. Okay, clear? Yeah, chalo. Let's run the code. Yeah, let us give some input. 38. It is an even number. 7. See, we are not printing anything. Okay. Now, the next, see, this is the example of simple if, guys. I don't want to stretch more and more on the basics, right? Just I want to touch every basic. So that's what I'm telling here. Yeah. Now we'll go for if else block, guys. Okay. So here, if else, the same program will try to do in if else, guys. Okay. So if it is odd number, it should be printing. Okay, it is an odd number. If it is an even number, it should be printing. It is an even number. Can you guys try for 2 minutes? Come on, guys. Complete that. Very easy question. See, if it is odd or even, it should print. Okay. Chalo. Earlier we have done with only simple if. Now it is example for if else, guys. Come on. Do that, guys. Take 2 minutes only. By 10:05, I will be teaching. Just don't take much time because these are very basic. So yeah. And I'll give you the next question also. The next question is, if the marks are greater than 35, you should print congrats, you passed. If the marks are less than 35, you should say sorry, you failed. This is the next example, guys. Okay. Try this example also. And even and odd, one more example. Okay. Two examples for if else. Okay. Come on. Don't take 2 more minutes. Okay. More time. Okay. Yeah. Come on, guys. Yeah. Please. Yes, Pawan, you are so fast. Okay. Yeah, it is even and odd clear, and this is also clear. Yeah, good, good, good. Guys, remaining. Come on, guys. Guys, everyone. I want everyone to join with laptop, guys, from tomorrow. Okay. Guys, here, how many of you joined today? I don't know. Guys, if you want that, my Excel sheet and syllabus sheet and my recording, just ping me on WhatsApp. Hi now, okay? Pavan and Ashtos, guys, can you ping me on WhatsApp so that I can share you my Excel sheet? Because this Excel sheet, I told you yesterday. This was the Excel sheet which we are going to solve. Okay, yeah, so that you can go through this Excel sheet. These are the list of programs which I am teaching on every batch, right? Yeah. So these are the topic-based programs, problems on strings, arrays, okay, binary search and collection and sliding window, stacks and queues, linked list like that. I have gathered, you know, topic wise problems on each and every topic. Okay, yeah, I will be sharing this with you. Just ping me on my chat box. Okay. Yeah, guys, let us start solving the problem. Yeah, see, this is simply add the else block is here. Else you should say you have failed. It is an odd number. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. Okay, just execute. Chalo. It is an odd number like that. Okay. It is an even number like that. Okay. Clear, guys. It's only one ping only I received. Okay. Yeah. Right, right, right. Yeah, guys. Any doubts here? I do. I hope no doubts, right? Yeah. Let us paste somewhere. Suppose if assume these are marks, you should say if marks greater than or equal to 35, should say this out. Hi. Congrats, you passed. Else you failed. Okay. That's it, guys. Okay. This is the again example of if else. Okay. 46 pass or if. That's it, guys. Okay. So this is the example of if else, guys. Okay. Right. Guys, the next question is so we have done with simple if and if else, guys. Okay. The next question is if else if ladder. Okay. Uh, the example for if else if ladder is yeah. Suppose let us take if marks are for 100, 90 to 100, you should print A grade, guys. If the marks are 90 plus and less than 100, it should give A grade. Okay. If it is 80 to 89, it should be printing B grade. And 70 to 79, it should be printing C grade. And 60 to 69, it is D grade. And less than 60 or 59 and below, fail. Okay. Right. Can you guys write a program to get the grade from the marks? The input is marks and output is we should compute the grade related to that mark. Okay. Chalo. Everyone try this program for 4 minutes. Come on, guys, try. Guys, ping me on WhatsApp. I'll share the notes also. Okay, our class notes also every day. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Meanwhile, you guys just try to solve the program. Yeah, guys. Ah, 6. Guys, 2 more minutes only. Come on. It is bit tricky only, but try. It is example of if else if ladder, guys. Okay, if else if ladder. See, guys, I'm just giving each one or two examples for each topic. Okay. Right. Good, Pawan. Yeah, you can write marks greater than or equal to 90 also. Okay. Pawan, is that you? You pinged on WhatsApp? Hello. Someone pinged me. Okay, but not. Okay. Okay, Pawan only. And guys, remaining also ping. Sagar and remaining people are there. Ashtosh. Yeah. I'll share the notes and Excel sheet with everyone. Okay. Because I have Archana and Vinod only, and Sagar now. Yeah. Demo. Yeah. Yeah, Sagar is fine. Okay. Because the problem is if I share the notes in the group, no, there are a lot of scrap is there in our group. Scrap means my competitors are there. Different institutes. The people from different trainers from different institutes are there. Okay, that's the I have faced earlier. What happened? One that drive, I have uploaded recordings that free batch. Okay, 9 class I uploaded. Someone, I gave, accidentally I gave, you know, access to everyone. Okay, they can change something like that. Okay, and every someone, removed all my videos. That's what happened in the last batch. That's why I was scared to say. I was feeling scared to share anything in the group. Yeah, only our course notifications only. I'll share it there. Okay, so I'll share. Yeah. Guys, we'll start. What is not coming here? Discharging now. Archana, why are you so calm today? You are not answering anything. Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Yeah, carry on, carry on. But meanwhile, practice, okay? Right? Huh. Yeah. So the thing is, first I will explain the flow of if else if. Okay. Then I will explain the program. Okay. Right. See, basically how if else if works, right? Suppose there is if block. If the condition is success, it will come out of the loop, guys. If the condition fails, it will go for the next block. Else if. If the condition is success, it will come out of the loop. Else, it will go down. Next block. Again, next else if. Same thing. Condition success come out. Else, it will go for the next one. At last, it will go. If nothing is matching, it will execute the last else block. Okay, that's it. There's any doubts here in this if else if block? There's any doubts here? All right. Okay, let us go through the program. And the ones who are solved, na, I just want to give that extra work. Suppose you take if attendance is less than 75, okay. Pawan and someone already pinged in the solutions. If attendance is less than 60, 75, even though he is not at all eligible to write the exam, guys. So for him, there are no grades. Okay, the next program is if attendance is less than 75, he should say, sorry, you are not eligible to write the exam. If the attendance is greater than 75 only, you should print the grade. Why then? If attendance greater than 75 only, you should print the grade. Can you try Pawan and Vinod? Can you guys try that? Meanwhile, I will explain this. Okay. I'll write the code here. If marks greater than equal to 90, it's a congrats, you got a grade. Guys, the next question is very simple. If the attendance is less than 75, you should print you are not eligible to write the exam. If the attendance is greater than 75, then you should print the grade. Okay. You got it right. This is simple extension. Okay. And Pawan and remaining, just try. Whoever complete this program, just try that. Congrats, you got a grade. Guys, I'll try to increase the complexity slowly. Yeah. Guys, this is optional, guys. For better readability, I am writing this and okay. See, some student asked me what is this double ampersand. This is and, guys. And means both conditions should pass. This will be success. Okay, this is one. Okay, something like that. And this is optional, by the way. Marks less than or equal to 89 is optional. And yeah, you can print here. Okay, congrats, you got a big grade. Else, fail, guys. That's it. Guys, everyone understood this program? Sorry, sorry, you got failed. Sorry, you are failed. Better luck next time. Something like that. Okay. Right, guys. So let us try running the program. If marks is how much? Let me give 34. Sorry, you are failed. See, guys, 77 C grade and 99 A grade. Like that. Guys, have you understood this program, guys? Any doubts here? Guys, the next question is, if you understood this program, the next question is simple. I already, demonstrated that. Okay, that is, guys, we are done with the if else if ladder, guys. Okay, what is this? If else if ladder. I'm done with if else if. We have done with simple if and if else and if else if ladder. Okay, the one pending is nested if else, guys, in the conditional statement. So tomorrow we'll be teaching iterational statements. Okay, nested if else, guys. Yeah, for this one, I just gave you the example. See, See, suppose in some college, I don't know, and I think most of the colleges we have a attendance criteria, right? The attendance should be mandatory, like with some percentage. For my college, it is 75%. Okay, so to sit for the exam, the class attendance should be 75%. Okay, see, if it is less than 75, he is not at all eligible to print. Sorry, he is not at all eligible to write the exam. Then there is no point of printing the grades, right? Okay, so you should write. Okay, if the attendance less than 75, you should say, sorry, you are not eligible to write the exam. You are not eligible to write exam. If greater than 75, then you should print the grade. Then only you should print the grade. Come on, guys, everyone try this using nested if else. But there are multiple ways you can solve, but I suggest to go with nested if else. But again, it's up to you how you solve. Come on. Just take 2 to 3 minutes only. Yeah. Which one? That This one, Yeah, sure, sure. Sure. Which line? Which line? Which line? Line number? Line number? 12. Okay. Yes. Yeah. 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 I already mentioned this is optional. I already mentioned this is optional. I just written for readability purpose. Okay. For the clear understanding, I written here. Okay. It's up to you. Okay. I already mentioned that point, Archana. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, come on. Try this question. Guys, take 2 more minutes only. Yeah. We'll end this with this program. We'll try to complete this program and we'll complete the class. Okay. Guys, if it is taking extra time, guys, from tomorrow, try to join sharp 9:30. Today, it's been 10 minutes we started the class, right? Yeah. Guys, once the batch is final, I will share the drive link. And till that time, I will be uploading in my channel, in my YouTube channel, these recordings. Yeah, please go through them if you are missing something or the other. Mm, if attendance greater than 75, then only you are writing. Okay. Okay. Else if attendance less than 74, fail. Okay, clear. That's good, Vinod. Yeah, that's good. But here you can directly mention what's the point of writing else if you just write else only, no? I'll tell you that. Guys, as part of this course, I will be giving you some insights related to system design and uh, next one is related to many minor projects. I will try to explain one or two guys from the Spring Boot and microservice for Java developers. Okay, yeah. Take 2 more minutes, guys. Come on. Right, guys. Let me explain the code. See, the condition is very clear. See, guys, first you write one simple if else. If, come on, attendance less than 75, sys out. Sorry, you are not eligible to write exam. Else means it is greater than or equal to 75. Then simply copy this logic and paste in the else block, guys. That's it. Okay. See, I'm just copied this logic and that's it. Okay. See, and instead with marks, you read the attendance also into ATT. So just give the marks. First marks 99, but attendance 70, 72. See, there is no use. Okay. So the moral of the story is you should have some discipline also in the life. Not only talent and knowledge, right? Apart from knowledge and talent, you should have some basic discipline also. That is the moral of this program. Okay, let's try for one more case. 65 and 80 attendance. This guy, Congress, you got D grade. Okay, yeah. Right, guys. So that's the end of the today's class. Any doubts, guys? Huh? I'll stop the recording here.